Hello everyone. Today I want to share with you about how to create profile by layout from Polyline on profile views. So in this drawing, we can see we have a Polyline. So how to convert to profile by layout? So I click VT tool and click through create profile FG and we click create profile from Polyline and showing. So we have to choose the style and click label style and I click accept and we have to choose Polyline and select profile view. So we enter name for profile. So I click enter and we can see the Polyline change Polyline to the profile by layout, and we have also label for profile.